आसात एक्वा गोवा 2025 मेगा फिश फेस्टिवल हांगासर आनी ह्या मेगा फिश फेस्टिवला बाबतीन आनीक इल्ली म्हायती तुमच्या म्हऱ्यान पावोवपा खातीर सद्या आमचे बरोबर आसात.
Yeah, my name is Dr. Pradeep HD, Senior Fishery Scientist in Fishery Survey of India, Goa.
My name is Dr. Nashad. I'm a Senior Scientific Assistant in Goa office.
Oh wow, so it's really great meeting you both. A few questions regarding the Fishery Survey of India. So are you all a part of this survey? From when have you all been a part of this department?
So this department was first formed in 1947 as a deep sea fishing station. So in 1985 it graduated as an research institute. So we are based in 6 bases and we are having around 11 survey vessels all over India, and we have our headquarters in Mumbai. So our department comes under Ministry of Fisheries.
So right now you all have come here from all the way from Mumbai?
No, we are from Goa base.
Okay.
We have a base, we have our headquarters in Mumbai, base office in Mumbai, down below in Goa, that is Marmugao, then down below in Kochi, the west coast is covered. In east coast we have in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, and then in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and then in Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So we survey and assess the fish stock in the entire Indian exclusive economic zone, which is around 2.02 lakh square kilometers, million square kilometers.
So this includes the tropical fish and the local fish, or only either one?
Entire marine fisheries.
Entire.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's really good. And we can see a few specimens over here. So how have you all collected these specimens and how are they stored?
Actually, we have 2 vessels here. One is a stern trawler and one is a long deep sea long line monofilament long line vessels. So these are some of the rare collections. In India, more than 3,500 species has been described from Indian waters. So we have conducted this survey around the west coast. Especially we are focusing on the central west coast of India, from Ratnagiri to Kasaragod, Kerala. So these are some of the rare specimens we collected during our survey cruises. So you can show this one. So this is the one. This one is a flying fish. It's called exocetus. So they have long pectoral fins. They can just glide from the above to 1 meter. They can glide over the sea. And this one is an hammerheaded sharks. More than 170 species of shark has been reported from India. This is one of the main one, hammerheaded. And these 2 are sea snakes. And sea snakes are the most venomous snakes apart from the terrestrial. They are venomous than the terrestrial snakes. And this one is a guitar fish. Due to the appearance of a guitar-like appearance is called guitar fish. And this one deep sea Cucleus, this bullseye, one common variety, there can be one Priacanthus is there, that is edible, we can see in the domestic market also. So like this, these are some of the selected specimens. So we have large size specimen preserved in our Goa base. If anybody interested, they can directly come to our office, they can directly see this. We have more than around 200 specimens preserved in our museum.
Very nice listening to all of this. So do you all import these specimens or do you all actually work with them?
These are not imported. These are actually means collected from our vessels itself. So we usually go for survey every month, 20 days out at sea. So that is our normal routine survey plan. So these all are collected in our own vessels.
That's really lovely. May your work flourish, keep flourishing. Thank you so much for giving us the information about your department, about the specimens. Thank you very much once again. Fishery Survey of India हाचे बाबतीन आनीक थोडी माहिती आमकां दिवपा खातीर आमचे बरोबर आसात डॉक्टर प्रदीप, जे आयज आर्टिफिशियल रीफ्स हांचेर थोडीशी माहिती आमचे बरोबर वाडटले. So Dr. Pradeep, what is artificial reefs and what is this entire module about?
Yeah, artificial reef is actually, let me tell what is the reef. Reef is the area where there is an corals you will find and small fishes is find, and the entire ecosystem is been developed. So due to the large scale fishing activity in the shallow waters, so all this reef area has got destroyed. So now the thing is, this is giving a big problem to the traditional fishermen who cannot go to the deeper waters by using their traditional boats or canoes. So this has created a loss of economy and for the local traditional fishermen. So to sustain this, the government of India has taken an initiative through all the state governments to make artificial reef under PMSSY, Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana of Government of India. So here the artificial reef is, you can just compare this artificial reef to afforestation and deforestation. If the trees are cut, you can't find any animal over there. Here it is the same thing applied to the aquatic diversity. If all the rocks, crevices and the hiding place and food finding place of the fishes has been destroyed by trawling or some other activity, commercial activity, so they won't find place to hide, breed and flourish for the fishes. So hence the economy of the traditional fishermen has come down. So to compensate this, the government of India has introduced artificial reef where cement blocks are made in different sizes with crevices artificially to restore the reef, and it will be deployed in the near shore waters, say around 15 meters depth, not in the deeper waters.
Is Goa included in this?
Yeah. In Goa, 14 villages has been identified by the state fisheries for this. It is an all over India initiative. So government of India has funded this project, and they will be installing in the selected villages all around the Goa of 140 kilometers length.
So it will be like developing the ecosystem again, the marine system again through these artificial reefs, correct?
Yeah. So the thing is, once if you can have a look at this, these are the different type of models we have just made it. So it will be deployed in the seawater. Each block may weigh around 800 kg. So around 200 blocks are put in each space. This what happens is, once it matures, there will be an algal growth. So once the algal growth grows, small fishes will come and inhabit area, so which is followed by the larger varieties. And some fish varieties like what you call in Konkani gobro, these fishes require hiding places, and where they hide, there only they breed. So such kind of fishes will take shelter in this type of blocks, and where they hide and they breed and they flourish. So this what happens is, to the local fishermen who cannot venture into the sea for long distances, so they can go in the morning, use hook and line fishery, catch the large size fish and come back for lunch in the afternoon. So this will also increase the economy, one thing. Secondly, the sport fishing. Once it may take 8 to 12 months for the initial maturing of the reefs, minimum 8 to 10 months. So it keeps on maturing. By the time it is around 2 to 3 years, it will be fully matured, which means full of aquatic, coral and both flora and fauna. So even sport fishing can be done, diving can be done, what you have seen in the coral reef area and even in other countries like Mauritius, Thailand and all. No? So you can feed the fishes in the reef. By that will encourage the youth to take this diving activity, and also the fishermen, they can get the good variety of fishes within the within their reach.
Thank you so much, Dr. Pradeep. You have provided us a lot of information regarding these artificial reefs, and actually I must say it is a very good initiative, because when we are having a loss of all these ecosystems, having them, though artificially, but having them again can really help us ecosystem a lot. So thank you so much for sharing this information with us. I wish you all the best. Thank you.